Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, beautiful color. Kids, first color, blue color, pink color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color and orange color. Kids, shapes drawing, green color, circle, heart, kids, heart, cloud, kids, cloud, cube, right triangle, hexagon, kids, color fill, green color, circle, orange color, heart, brown color, brown color, cloud, brown color, cloud, purple color, cube, pink color, right triangle, sky blue color, hexagon, circle, heart, cloud, cube, right triangle, hexagon. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.